Alright, so I taught Lucy how to go up the slide. So we're gonna see how this works. Lucy. Lucy. Good girl, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on this way. Come on, go up the slide. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Good girl, Lucy. Yay. Rocco. Alright, now we are going to go up this rock climbing wall. Let's see. Let's put it right there. Hopefully you can see it. Alright, come on, Lucy. Lucy. Hey. Lucy. Well, apparently Rocco, our neighbor's dog, came over. He heard we got treats. So he's like, hey, if they get treats, I can get treats too. So he's kind of hijacking my video. Lucy, come on. Come on, Lucy. I don't know if you can hear him or not. Look at Lucy. Yay, Lucy. Good girl. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl, Lucy. Lucy. Okay, now let's go up the rock climbing wall. That's where I'll make this quick. This will be a quick video. So, there you go. Alright. Lucy. Come on, Lucy. No, hey, Lucy, no, this way. Alright, come down. Come on, Lucy. Good girl, Lucy. Oh, Lucy. Alright, now, come on. Come on, Lucy. No, hey, no. This way. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on, you can do it. Good girl, Lucy. Yay. So, there she is. She did it. And here is the rock climbing wall. And there's Lucy. Alright, come on, Lucy. Good girl. Okay. Lucy, come on. Come on, Lucy. Lucy. Come on. Come on, girl. Hey. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Get it. Come on, Lucy. Yeah, Lucy. Good girl. Alright, come on down. Come on, Lucy. Good girl. Now no, hey, Lucy, no, this way. Come on, Lucy. Yeah, get a treat. Come on. Get it. Get it, Lucy. What, you don't want to do it? You tired? You tired, girl? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Good girl. That was a great shot. Good girl, Lucy. Yeah, Lucy. Good girl. Come on, let's go down the slide. Come on. Come on, go down. You go down first. Lucy. Okay. Come on, Lucy. Come on. No, we're going down. We're going down, Lucy. Whee! Lucy. Good girl, Lucy. Look at you, you're so happy. Look at that tail. Yeah, Lucy. Yeah, good girl. Alright, so we got your 5-minute shot. Now let's go upload it to YouTube. And let's show the world who rocks that wall. Huh, get it? Yeah. Alright, come on, let's go, Lucy. Good girl. Okay, well, I also taught her to go up this chair, this table. Come on, Lucy. What? Look at you. You didn't let me see it. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Jump down. Good girl. Alright. Well, that's Lucy for you. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more of Lucy doing stuff and stunts and really cool stuff, then hit the subscribe button and that like button for more videos. So hopefully next time, well, I want to teach her to go up the skateboard. I don't know how that's gonna go, but I'll try. But so yeah, so if you want to see that, please hit the subscribe button and we'll go from there. So say bye, Lucy. Bye, Lucy. Bye. My good girl.